Hey guys, Justin here again today. Another great day that we had with our team, and as always, like to break down these plays so you guys can see the setups in real time and also see how our team did today. So I will get right into it and go right into the alerts that we played or that we had today. The first one, GLD 74 call here at 115. As we alerted in the general chat several times on market open into about 10 o'clock, there's a lot of chop on the market. Playing light, closed 2 out of 4 here, locked in a small profit. We also posted GLID having higher premiums. The IV was actually a little over 80%, which is still really high for the movement on GILD. And so then we closed out the last 2 at 109, actually filled those last 2 at 107. And the next one, we had Netflix 382.5 call, filled at 108. We stopped out and got a full stop out at 0.89, entered again at 113, and closed out at 134. So, as you guys tuned into this video, I want to make an important key teaching that even the best of us make, and I will get right into that. And what that is going to be is waiting for a confirmation of a reversal or a breakthrough. So, we get this, you see these 2 big wicks right here. We get this breakdown, but never fully confirm below this support line right here at 371.52. This is actually where I got stopped out here on the first one right here. It was a very strong sell trend. You can see the strong sell volume here. Looked like we were going to be gapping down towards that 368 to 367.40 level, and I ended up stopping out here. However, as you guys know, as everyone makes mistakes, as I have several times, that I wasn't waiting for this proper confirmation here. We get this confirmation here. This is the second entry up to here. And then we get this confirmation of the support that's holding strong throughout the day. So what I wanted to really emphasize in this video is to always wait for a full candlestick confirmation. Then this case, this is a perfect example of me not being patient enough for this play. It was around 9:40 that this play was out, and I was looking for a play to make, which is the first mistake. You shouldn't be actively searching or like, I need to make plays. Just let the plays come to you as the setups happen. And this happened to get the best of me today. We can see these 2 false break below candlesticks right here and never getting a confirmation at all. If I would have held, look at that gap move here. We were lucky enough to catch it on the second bounce here, and a lot of people were able to play that. However, again, don't chase trades. Let the trades come to you. I chased this trade, and look what happened the first time that I tried to chase it. It didn't pan out. Wait for this candlestick confirmation here to confirm that bottom and that push up here. Now you can see we've been consolidating on this line the whole time here. Again, I keep saying it, but I cannot emphasize enough. Let the trades come to you. Don't actively search for the trades, whether this be setting alerts and watching candlestick movement for price action, or ultimately whatever setup or tool that you use to find your plays. I simply set alerts through all of my watch lists so I know key levels and can get an alert when this happens. Watch for this candlestick confirmation, watch the level 2 for volume, watch the strength of the trend, and then make your executive decision off of this. Don't just go through and be like, well, I'm just going to enter this play because I'm looking for a play or I'm bored. And that can get you hurt in a hurry, and this is a perfect example right here of me rushing into a play that I should not have. Again, as I always say, there's always teaching tools on the market from a loss, and this is another teaching tool for me as well as all of the members that were able to watch this play unfold live. Always wait for that candlestick confirmation and that confirmation before you get into a play. So now going on to GILD, this was another play that was up really nice for the team. We actually had a lot of members hold throughout the day. As we posted right here, we got in right here, confirmation of a bottom bounce, and then you sold over here again. Sold the first 2 contracts and then sold the last 2 over here. So basically what I was seeing was, as we mentioned to the team, the 73-77 base trend line that's been super strong recently, and you can tell it's held here. We did keep the team updated on this position throughout the day. Hey, 73.80 or 73.77 support level is what GILD needs to hold. You can see this bottom here, bottom here, bottom here, bottom, bottom, bottom. Now we get this gap through, and also this gap through of 74.14. This is kind of the movement that we were seeing that was eating premiums when we closed the last two. So we got in confirmation here, pushed up through here, and actually ended up closing on this wick above. And then you get this consolidation down in between the 73.74 and 74.14 level. The reason we closed out those last two is you can see there's not much range movement here between these two, causing the premiums to get ate up. However, we did post, as mentioned, 73.77 bottom base support level needs to hold. You can see this consolidation all day, and it finally paid off for members into market close as we got to move up into SPY. And that's another thing that I want to discuss with you guys also is SPY. So this is what we were watching. We get this, I'll zoom in here. We get this 271.76 level that we talked about was super strong here. We get this rejection. We finally break through, gap up on strength. Look at that strength of that candlestick, which is where we posted, hey, SPY has the potential to reach that 275 to 276 level, of which it did, only to be followed by a drop down. Now, the reason we were watching this 275 level to hold, you can see this important level right here, a 275 base resistance over here from yesterday. As you can tell, we failed to break through that on this close. That's obviously not a bullish sign to the uptrend. We'll see how pre-market opens come tomorrow. However, we did run out of steam. You can see this reversal right here too. Same candlestick pattern here where we are getting rejected at this 275 price point. I told the team, hey, if we do confirm, you can see the strong volume here. However, buyers and sellers were both locked in this candlestick. We told people, hey, watch this candlestick, that we really, really need to close above 275 to see any action here on the yearly chart. So we can see that we're trying to form this breakout here at 275. You can see we're rejected right where we got rejected on this last daily candle yesterday. Ideally, looking for more strength here. Yesterday's sell volume obviously has more buy volume than we had today, and we're looking for more of a movement to the upside to fill to this 282 to 284 level. However, again, we did not get to see this movement today, so coming in tomorrow, this will be a pending move, either a false rejection or a rejection here, break back down to this 263 support level, or a gap through back up to that 283 level that we mentioned. So now I wanted to go into some of the profits that our team had today. 10% on the day. This person ended up playing XOM callouts. Not only do we post plays and alerts, which those are going to typically be day trade scalps, we also post in general setups that we see, whether this be for swing trades or longer intraday plays, simply to give you guys the exposure to both types of plays and ultimately figure out what fits your schedule the best. So this member right here playing our XOM call out towards the end of the day, he actually ended up closing out before market closed here, and we get some more here. This member playing our GLD 75 call. Look at that, $705. He also held on throughout the day, as we confirmed that 74.77 base support twice or three times throughout the day. And we got Ryan here coming in with a big play on ABT. We got this call out. Like we mentioned, we do make call outs in general. JB getting in on two calls throughout, or for XOM into close, paying off $395 simply by following our advice. Let's go up to here and load more profits from the team. Playing our SPY call out here on the breakout. Dave making another big play. This is one of several big plays that he has had recently. Bag not boosted here, coming in with another 18% today. And this is coming from the XOM call out. He also started his account with a little less than $150. He's now at $213. Then we get another play here. Netflix, an alert from us, and Gilead Sciences, $14. We can see this gain from playing these two plays that we had. And we also get more movement here off of XOM. Let's see, more movement here. Robert having a big account growth, almost 50% on the month. Look at this nice, slow continuation. Consistency is what we really, really preach when following our plays. There's another profit there. Netflix alert paying off nicely right here for Dave. He is up over $200 on this play alone. There's another GILD call that was paying off for the team. Again, guys, if you are interested in getting these plays or these daily alerts and callouts and joining a big community of traders helping other traders that are accepting of people of all levels, then I really suggest checking us out at simplifiedinvesting.site. Our package is currently still 20% off. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and as always, if you could like and subscribe, it helps a ton. Hope you all have an amazing day, and let's crush it tomorrow.